this unit. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. Yes. Okay, all right, let me get to it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Lovely Mika channel. So if you're new, welcome, and if you already been subscribed, welcome again. So today's video is gonna be a review on this beautiful bomb.com. You already know I'm gonna say bomb.com when I love the unit wig by Outre. So the name of this lace front wig is called Stevie, and I do have it in a color DRFF2/2730. So this is what I have on today. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. So this unit is from wigtype.com. Shout out to my mom again for buying this unit for me. It's so beautiful. Thank you, mommy. So I believe on wigtype.com the price was $29.94. I believe they are doing a 40% discount, so it was like $49 and some change, but after they use that 40% discount, it was $29 and some change. So I will have all of the information in the description box below if y'all want to check the wig out and buy it. And I will have other websites where you can also buy this beautiful unit. So I also wanted to mention that this hair is so gorgeous. Like, you can rock this hair anywhere. You can rock it during the fall, spring, summer, even winter, baby. I just wanted to get more in depth and get a little closer on how beautiful this lace front unit is. I love how it starts from a dark color in the roots and like working the way down to the lace front wig. It's light, come like this light blonde effect, and then in the back it comes like a darker ombre color. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can't tell me nothing about this wig. I can't tell me nothing, but I wanted to show y'all that I love this unit. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. Every woman needs this in their life, but this is a very beautiful unit. So the next clip is gonna be more in depth of how the unit had looked while I was still in the pack, the combs and everything. You know, all that good stuff. Okay, all that good stuff. But before I go to the next clip, I do not have any cons about this unit. The only thing is that the unit don't come with no baby hair, but I feel like you don't need baby hair with this unit. If you do want to have baby hair with this unit, I mean, you can, but I feel like you don't need baby hair with this unit. All I can say, if y'all enjoy this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share if you like. And I love you all. Bye. Hey everybody, so today I'm coming at you all with this beautiful Outre lace front wig. Color that I have this unit in is DRFF2/2730. The style of this wig is Stevie. This is a synthetic unit. It also comes with Swiss lace L parting, as you can see. It is safe up to 400 degrees, which is awesome. And on the stock card, it also have on the back on instructions how to take care of this unit. So this is how the unit look while it's still in the net. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful that look, y'all. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that color. All right, so I will be trying it on in front of you all. And before I try it on, I am going to show you all the combs in the front and the back. So it does come with a lace, as you can see. And this is the L part. Here's how the L part looks from the outside, and the inside, that is how it looks. Now it does come with 2 combs up front, and it comes with a comb in the back, and it also have adjustable straps so you can adjust it. Let's see. Now if you want to pluck it, you can, but I don't think this unit, it don't have to be plucked. I love it. Now if you want to add some foundation in it or powder to make it look more natural, you can, which I am going to be doing. I am going to be using some of my Fit Me powder in the parting. So I'm gonna put on this unit in front of you all, and before I put it on, I'm gonna show y'all how beautiful, look how the, oh my goodness, look at this beautiful color, y'all. I love it. So this is the back, and it's long. It's a long unit. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. You can wear this unit in the fall, summer, spring. Okay. So this is how the unit looks without me cutting the lace off. This is how it looks. This is how long it is. I am 5'8". So it's right here where my boobs at. This is the side. And this is the front. My earring came off. Gotta put that back on. Okay, and this is how the front look. So I would say it's about 22 inches long. I will be cutting off the lace. camera. Okay, it's beautiful. I love it. So this is how the unit looks. I don't know if it comes with baby hair. It does not come with no baby hair, but that's all right. This unit is also medium to big head friendly. So if you have a medium to big head, this is the perfect unit for you all. If you have a smaller head, this unit can also work for you. You just have to adjust it to your head shape. So yeah, but I love it. Cut a little bit off. There we go. All right, y'all, look at that beautiful color. Love it. I love how it starts dark in the roots and then work its way light. Back here is like a darker brown. You can rock this hair anywhere. You can rock this hair anywhere, honey. So I am going to be using my Fit Me 360 mocha powder in my parting, just to make it a little bit more realistic, more natural. That's the word, more natural. Let me look in the mirror right here. Second. I don't know, should I do Shout out to my mom, she popping this unit. But this is how the unit look on the model. Let me see. I'm just trying to look on me. Okay. It's very beautiful. It is soft, very soft. Let's see. Have I experienced any shedding? No shedding at all. Haven't experienced any shedding. Just that one strand. No, two. Just two. And that's due to me cutting the lace off. Really love it. It's really beautiful. I love the color. I love the length. I love long hair, period. This hair is bomb.com. Okay. I feel like with this hair, you can use a paddle brush or you can just use your fingers. I wouldn't, if you want to straighten this hair, you can, but I feel like rocking it in its natural state is the best. Oh, this color is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So this unit does come in many other colors. Yeah, so this unit does come in 7 other colors. And again, the hair, this unit was $29.90. I know it was $29.90 something, but I will have that link in the description box below so y'all can check that out on wigtype.com. Their website is using a 40% discount. This wig is worth it, y'all. I love it. It's so beautiful. Love it. It's beautiful. Yes, honey, yes. If I forget anything, I will put it in the description box below. I don't have nothing bad to say about this unit. This is a very beautiful unit. Will I wear it again? Yes. Will I rock it in a different color? Yes, I will. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. If y'all want me to do any more wig reviews, Lacefront wig reviews, whatever, you know your girl got ya. So make sure y'all stay tuned make sure y'all stay tuned for my next video. Y'all see I can't stop touching. Make sure y'all stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.